Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari.
I'm Tyler, and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari.
Hey, that's the first time you said that!
I know.
That's adorable. Okay, so today we have a haul for you. It is a smaller haul than normal, so it should be a good, quick video.
Quick video, yeah.
Yeah.
It was 2 stores, I think.
Yeah, it was 2 stores. It is our first time back in Massachusetts, but before I get into it, if you like reseller content, you like seeing hauls, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you know anything about any of these brands that maybe I don't know enough about, or if you are interested in any of the items, please let me know. I will always link my Instagram as well as my Poshmark down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday.
Yeah.
Okay, all of that lovely stuff out of the way. Let's get into this.
So these are J. Jill 12P.
And he's showing the prices, which you're not trying to do. They're almost corduroys, but not. They're like lightweight corduroys, capris. I will say, just so you guys know, this is our first time back at Massachusetts, and the difference between Massachusetts and Rhode Island for us, we live on the line, so we thrift at both. Massachusetts is much higher cost of goods for us. They don't do, their Savers does not do half off tag day, which we kind of like exclusively purchase in the Rhode Island side. So that does make it a little bit harder. So anything you see here, we've probably paid up a bit for that, and that's also why our hauls are a bit smaller. But
yes.
they
Next
do have good items.
Soft surroundings, new with tags.
Yes, soft surroundings, new with tags.
Price is right there.
Price is right, okay. And it is a size 6. You can see the tags here. You can see, there we go. And look at this pant leg. I think these are full length pants. They appear to be. Size 6 is actually my size, so you know.
You're wearing
just saying, they're kind of cute, but yeah, a little bit of distressing. They're adorable.
This is Madewell, size small.
Yeah. So this is a like black polka dotted full skirt dress.
But the polka dots are like velvet.
Yeah, they're like textured, applique or something, whatever you want to call them. But it's very cute. Showing you the Madewell tag. There we go. So the issue with this dress, which is why I think it was priced down, is because it's got some deodorant staining on here. Now I know I've seen on YouTube things people use to get this deodorant staining out. But if you guys have any tips or tricks that you want to share with me, please do, because we couldn't leave this behind. It was a good enough price that we had to grab it.
Well, it's very similar to the Bowden dress with the polka dots that you sold for quite a lot.
Yeah, now I did hold on to that dress. I was like, nah, nobody's getting this. But I think somebody will really like that. We just have to clean it up.
Oops, sorry, those.
Oh.
So these are AGs, the new Hero, Relax Fit.
Yeah, so these are like almost like Bermuda shorts.
Yeah, they're kind of like factory done to look like they're engineered, like just
now it
DIY.
Says 31 by 34. Now we did get them in the women's section, but I'm now wondering if they are men's because it says 31 by 34. So if you guys know, let me know. But they appear to be like Bermuda style shorts. They have cuffing on the bottom, just a little bit there. It's kind of cute. So we figured we'd give them a shot because it's summertime. We need some shorts.
So these, this is a Pilcrow skirt. This is number 4. I'm assuming that's the size.
Yes, number 4 is the size. It's a really cute skirt. Let's see if I can show it to you. This one actually was hidden by a reseller, I believe. We found it in a totally different section. I think it was in blazers, if I remember correctly. Yeah. And the price was a little bit high, but we decided that given the season, we think that it can still go to a good home. We just won't get as much of a profit as we normally like, but I think somebody will really enjoy this.
American Eagle, size 6, raw hem shorts.
Yeah. So again, we're trying to get some shorts up there, given that it is summer.
Those are short shorts.
Yeah, they're booty shorts. They're for people that are way more confident about their body than I am. But you said size 6, yeah?
Yes.
So. More shorts.
More shorts. These are 7 for all mankind's.
Yeah, and they are definitely an older tag, or at least it appears that way to me, and they are a size 21.
Is that 21 or 27?
Oh, you're right, 27. Him out here corrected me, you know. But those are cute, and the back pockets here. Very cute. Oh, and the tags. I said it was an older tag, and I don't show you. I think it's an older tag. I have not seen that tag before.
So these are Vince shorts, size 0.
Yeah. Now these are longer shorts as well, so I don't know if they're necessarily
boat
Bermuda.
shorts.
Yeah, probably boat shorts. There we go.
But interestingly, we saw the exact same pair
For a much
marked
higher
up
price.
for a much higher price, the exact same size as well. So
Yeah.
2 different people were doing the pricing, it seems.
It would appear that way, but they're very cute.
More shorts, the theme continues.
Okay, it's summer, so.
These are Madewells. They are a size 27.
Yep. So these, I know that for most resellers, you're probably looking at this saying, well, those are red shorts, and anything that's not a regular blue denim short does not do very well, and that is true. But given the season and given the price of these, I couldn't leave them behind.
They're still Madewell, and you're not gonna, at the price that you paid, you're not gonna get out of them. So these are
Not gonna knock it out.
Yeah, you're not gonna knock it out. So double negatives aren't horrible. These are Pilcrows, 27s.
Yeah. So these are hyphen, which apparently are the best Pilcrows to sell. I think I heard that from Courtney on Posh. So if you don't follow her, maybe you should.
Nice raw hem on the bottom.
Yeah, they are. There we go. See that there? But they're very cute. I think these are going to do really well. I think they might be cropped, from what I can tell, just based on the length.
More soft surroundings, Nua tags, size 6.
Yeah, so maybe somebody's going to come in and they're going to buy both Nua Tags items, because that would be great. Because I will say, this is a funny situation. One of these items was priced quite high, and we paid more than we normally would, because the other one was priced quite low.
Yes.
So we decided, this is beautiful, that we were going to try and see if we can get them both, and hopefully they can both go to a good new home. But this is almost like a silk. I'm not sure if it's actually silk, but it feels silkish.
I would say more spandexy.
It's beaded.
It's got stretchiness.
Perfect for the season. These are definitely cropped. Very,
Yeah.
very cute. So hopefully somebody really likes them.
These are Rag and Bone, size 26. Skinny.
Yeah. So
They're
there we go, Rag and Bone. I'm kind of a hit or miss with Rag and Bone. I don't always grab them. This was just a price I could not pass up. But I'm a hit or miss with Rag and Bone. Sometimes I leave it behind.
I mean, if it's too expensive, you have to. Vineyard Vines, size 2.
Yeah, this is another one I'm a hit or miss with. I don't always pick them up, but I thought they were cute, and I was on a shorts roll apparently, so who knew? I guess I just really felt like it. So.
Bella Dolls, 28s. Shorts again.
Yeah, so this is a brand that I actually am curious how you all do with. I've only ever gotten one other Bella Doll item, and it's still sitting. I've not done well with it, but I figured I would give it one more shot, and size 28 is a decent size, and they appear to be high-waisted, so in season.
So this is a brand that we didn't really recognize in the store, and it is Elliot Luca.
But it feels very nice.
It's almost
It
like
is
a patterned suede, kind of.
Yeah, and you
Pebbly
can
suede.
wear it as a shoulder bag like this, where it's folded like that, and it's down on you. Or you can hold it like this, and it's much longer, which I thought was really cool. So I don't know this brand. If you guys do and you have experience with it, would love to know. But that's the tag. It's got like a hot pink interior. It's really cool, but it just felt nice, so we figured, why not?
So this is a Longchamp bag.
So this is not the typical Longchamp that you would see, but I actually found it by feeling it. I felt it through like the racks, and I was like, oh, this feels really nice. I think I want it. And I saw the buttons say Longchamp, but the interior says Longchamp. I don't know if you can all see all this, but it's a very like shiny, like really nice Longchamp bag, and there's not much damage to it, so.
No, it'll all clean up. There's a couple scuffs that they'll come out.
Yeah, and there's lots of zippers and pockets, and
yeah,
we had to give it a shot. So this is only my second Longchamp bag. The first one was the typical what you would see Longchamp bag. But last item.
Last item.
Okay, this is actually my favorite item from the haul. Is this your favorite item?
Probably.
Yeah. So this is Kate Spade. So I have not done a lot of hauls on my channel yet, so you don't know, but Kate Spade is probably one of the hardest brands for me to ever leave behind because it's the one brand that prior to reselling, I actually owned myself. So this is a parrot crossbody bag, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, nice long thing. It's in basically perfect condition, mostly because my lovely husband cleaned it up and it looks impeccable now. There was some smudges and stuff on it. We did pay up a bit for this, but not horribly. I think we'll still be able to make a good profit on it, and it's beautiful. Like, I can't even see any problems with it.
It legitimately looks basically new now.
Yeah, so this has to be one of my favorite items. So, anyways, that is everything we received. So this was from 2 different stores, and yeah, I mean, we definitely paid more than we normally would, but I think we're going to do okay with them, and they're all in season.
I mean, all in season, you have a hard time finding bags because everyone and their mother is looking for handbags.
Yeah, definitely. But, so if you guys know anything about especially the brand, the Elliot Luca one, please let me know because it feels great, but I don't know anything about it. But other than that, let me know what you guys thought. Leave your comments down below, and we will be back very soon with a new video that will not be a haul.
Or an unboxing.
Basically, yeah. So, stay tuned for that. We will be back very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you all for watching.